welcome to the video. I hope you enjoy the tour of my Harry Potter bedroom that is inspired by the movies and books, of course. I really enjoyed doing this project and seeing it all the way through. I think it really turned out very nice. It has the feel of the dark academia, new world, old world, castle feel. I really made sure to incorporate very traditional themes throughout of decor, as well as making sure to have some fun nods to the movies and books. I hope you enjoy this video as I take you around the actual room and how it has become the Harry Potter inspired bedroom. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Alexa, Lumos Maxima. Alexa, turn off all my lights. Alright, I hope you enjoyed those B-roll shots, and I just wanted to kind of walk through a few things vlog style on the decor. Alright, so I'll flip you around. Alrighty then. So, I had purchased this sorting hat from Amazon, I believe, and it does actually work.
Daring. Better be Gryffindor.
It's a little cheesy.
Difficile, très difficile. Gryffindor.
But it's cool. And then I got all these books from the Goodwill, as well as more books. I found these keys at an antique store, and then this globe was at an antique store as well. And then I had made these potion bottles here, as well as I spray painted some plastic frogs for chocolate frogs. And then I just had this little owl, so I sat it there. And then this is the fireplace. Going into the fireplace, you can see there are Hogwarts letters, and they are just strewn about because, of course, that is how they were sent by the mini owls through the fireplace in the movie and the books. Panning over, we have the storage trunks. It has the scarf draped over it with another letter. I had purchased all of these trunks from antique stores, and I have just set the Daily Prophet inside this larger trunk with the actual holder for my Harry Potter wand. Spanning up, you can see that we have Hedwig, the owl, sat right here in a cage, suspending in the air, because that is quite magical, as you can see. You do not see a wire at all. Above the door, I didn't show this, but it is mischief managed. And then this is all peel and stick brick wallpaper. Going over here, we do have a map, which is pretty cool, of just the whole Harry Potter universe. Panning down, we do have the 9 3/4 platform location. Going over here, I will zoom out. We have kind of the sitting area. I have this rug with a chair and this nice piece of furniture with many trinkets. I have just some stacked books with a sorting hat on top and a bird cage. Going up around the furniture piece is gold empty frames to represent the many photos through the staircase. And then getting into the top of this furniture piece, I did some printouts of these scenes through Harry Potter. In this photograph, you can see Hermione, Ron, and Harry Potter, of course. Zooming in a little closer, we do have a snitch, and a golden snitch, as well as a feather and another chocolate frog. I did find these fun book holders from Goodwill, if you can believe it, as well as I found the old books actually at a garage sale. Moving in on this side, we do have Dumbledore, accompanied with a Hogwarts Express train. And then we do have some potion bottles mixed in as well. Scrolling down, we do have my mini wands that I have actually carved out of wood. There is a YouTube video about that. And then spanning down, we have an old clock. And on this pedestal, we have more potions. Switching over, we have a Harry Potter VHS tape, as well as we have some rings from the game of the golden snitch. I cannot think of the name at the moment, but you know what it's from. And then we have some more books and kind of medicine potion bottles mixed about. I had to switch out my camera battery. Okay, so going into the desk area, we have this really cool painting here of the world. I had actually found that at the Goodwill, which is a great find. And then we have my desk with a fake tree, as well as spanning over we have a oil lamp mounted on the wall, and then we do have these broom looking decor pieces with these very cool little slotted pieces that are from a drawer pull-out piece. Anyhow, that was a very terrible description. Moving in, we have just a little box, a bell, an oil lamp, some candy, and a lamp. Very riveting. Then we have an actual candle that I will light on the desk. Spanning over to the bed area, I have this here artwork of Hogwarts, which is just a print I found that I had printed out and put in a frame. And then we have the red bedding with the yellow and kind of tan Harry Potter throw pillows with these fun, creative little prints on them, taking a nod to Harry Potter. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like the video, and I will see you next time. I really enjoyed doing this project. It's been very fun, and I will be able to enjoy my Harry Potter themed room for a while. As we creep into the holiday season, there will be added Christmas decor amongst all the decorations. So stay tuned, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.